A Hamilton mother fighting cancer has launched a campaign to raise awareness about the genetic disorder that led to her diagnosis. Elizabeth ASTBURY says research into neurofibromatosis will provide hope for her family. Justine Conway met her.
At 33, Elizabeth ASTBURY has everything to live for.
I just want to be back home with all of them.
The mother of 2 young children is in a hospital bed 300 kilometres away from her family, fighting a cancer born of neurofibromatosis, or NF, a genetic disorder that causes tumours to grow on nerves and other parts of the body.
Kids don't get to see mum. We're trying to keep things normal for them.
When Elizabeth met her husband Nick in 2015, they were shocked to discover they each had a family history of NF. Elizabeth's mother has it, and so does Nick's younger sister. But Elizabeth herself had always been healthy.
She was already in her mid-20s with no symptoms, so she was sort of led to believe by her parents that she'd not inherited it. So we didn't think about it.
It was about a year and a half, 2 years after having Isabella that I started to get some pain down this arm.
In 2019, at the age of 29, Elizabeth was diagnosed with NF. Then in June this year, doctors discovered one of the tumours was cancerous.
I wish I could make it to 70, but they say you really need to focus day by day and just make the most out of every day.
So much about NF is unknown.
We don't really understand exactly how the inheritance happens, and we can't predict from one generation to the next what will happen. But we do know that about 50% of children of someone with NF will get the disease.
One of the biggest challenges is that for most patients with NF, we don't have any medications or treatments that work. And so the best that we can do is to manage the symptoms.
Doctors at the Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre agree more research must be done. Elizabeth wants this to be her legacy, a flicker of hope for the 10,000 Australians with NF and possibly her own children.
I just hope I get to see them grow up.
You can help by visiting the Flicker of Hope website. Justine Conway, 9 News.